What's up guys, today I am going to be reviewing this Zoom ZDM-1 Zoom dynamic microphone. This is probably one of the cheapest, best studio and broadcast quality sounding microphone out there. I bought it for Canadian $70, US must be cheaper. And by the way, I am also recording the whole video on this Zoom ZDM-1. So you get to hear the entire video in this microphone that gives you plenty of audio to observe how this mic sounds. First thing first, what am I using to record this microphone? I'm filming my video on Sony FX3, even though Sony FX3 comes with its own mic unit, but today I am not recording the audio directly into the camera. In fact, I am recording my audio into Zoom Podtrak P4. I'm going to be making a detailed review video about this. This is a game changer. I'm going to post more details on the screen about what my audio level is in the post-production and if I have done any EQ or not. Okay, so what does Zoom ZDM-1 comes with? I've also made an unboxing video of this, link in the description. I bought just the basic mic. It came with this mic mount on the top. This is separate mic stand. It did not come with a cable. It came with a pop filter. It also came with a step down screw so that you can mount it on other stands as well. Let's talk about the build quality. It's built really well. It's not heavy, not light. You wouldn't feel like you're holding something cheap. I think for the price that you're going to be paying for this mic, it feels really good in your hand. Okay, so let's do some tests. I'm going to start with the Plosives test, how much Plosives this mic can handle with the pop filter on. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled pepper. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled pepper. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled pepper. Prrr. That's a tongue twister, man. I'm done. I'm tired of the tongue twister. Now let's do the plosive test again without the pop filter. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled pepper. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled pepper. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled pepper. Let me know in the comment section, how did that sound? For the next test, I'm going to check the noise rejection. I have my keyboard right here. Let's see how much of the keyboard noise this mic captures. So here it goes. Let me know in the comment section, what do you think? Now let's do the directional test, the polar pattern test. I'm going to be speaking from the front, I'm going to be speaking from the side, and I'm also going to be speaking from right behind the mic to see how does it sound, how much it records, how much sensitive it is or not. So let's start from the front. Right now, I'm recording the mic from the front. Now I'm recording the mic from the side. And now I'm recording the mic from behind. Let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think? For this next test, I'm going to be playing acoustic guitar a little bit because a lot of people are curious, how do these new podcast mics, which are dynamic microphone basically, sound on the acoustic guitar? Let's do a little bit of strumming. Let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think? The conclusion of the video, I'm going to be recording without the pop filter so that you guys have an idea that what does the normal conversation sound on this mic without the pop filter, because earlier all I did was the plosive test. So in conclusion, what do I think about this mic? If you have a budget of $50 to $60 and you want a really good quality mic, then Zoom ZDM-1 is what you need. You cannot go wrong in this price point. I'm telling you, I'm going to be putting up a video of this mic compared with other mainstream podcast mic as well. Trust me, it's going to blow your mind out. I've already tested it. I haven't shot the video yet. I already checked the audio of this mic without any EQ, without any compression. It sounded so good on the laptop speaker, the headphones, the cell phone, because a lot of people also listen to the audio on the cell phone. So this is definitely a no-brainer. $50 to $60 for this microphone. Good build quality, high quality studio broadcast sound. You cannot go wrong. Highly recommended, Zoom ZDM-1. By the way, if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead, hit that like button, subscribe this channel, and please do not forget to share your feedback in the comment section, because that is how I know if the review was worth it and what exactly did you like and what exactly did you not like about this microphone. Till next time, Shazan Salim signing out.